I'm recording. D1 dot. Oh god. Yes, it is good. Let's start Mom. Okay. I'm worried about. Okay, Mom. Okay, Dad. Get the people over there. How do I get it? School is behind. That's Thursday. Ooh. I don't know what to do this again. Let's hope to do a package, she said. Hopefully, cool. Thanks. Okay. Hey. Why are you in my home? Oh, my package? Thanks again. Oh. That is. Please. probably head home and get some rest. See ya. See you later. Come on, bro. Oh no. This is my house. I see. I walk up here, gotta head to bed. Sleep out here and eat out here. You can't turn the phone. Oh. What's wrong with me? You two insomnia? Any differences? Let's see. Any differences there? What else missing? Oh. That's the hasn't been home since yesterday. Go to the shop and see if Devin was around. This is starting to worry me now. Talk to the shopkeeper. It wasn't his name Devin. I specifically called this man Devin. Yet again, here we are. I'm gonna talk to neighbor. I don't even know his name. Well, I talked to him, should say. I swear to name just neighbor. Yep. Oh, you're dead. Yeah, I was with him. He's not in my house right now, though. I had to kick him out. He had way too much box color. Didn't want him being sick on my good sofa. He had this weird look in his eyes also. Creepy stuff. Oh wait, I get it now. Dad going insane again, I think. What's that going insane? Dad! Yo! What are you doing all the way out here? What the? Hollow Grove? What the heck is that? Wait, what? Dad? What's my objective? Why is it? No, it's not quite right. This time, the time is drawing closer. To what? Oh, I'm actually kind of scared. Boom! Big boy! Oh, Dad! Dad! Whoa, yo! Yeah, it's not really that easy. Dad? Good? Oh, it's killing me. Why am I outside right now? It's all so blurry. You let me get some rest. I'll catch up with you in a minute. Oh, okay, Dad. Good thing that he's still alive. Go home to sleep. It's called insomnia. You can't sleep with insomnia, bud. That's what I was saying. That's what you should go check though. Sleeping. I'm gonna always sleep in the same bed, alright? I love my man face just sticking out something. I don't know what it is. I don't know. You can't see the. Again? Yeesh. Day 3. So I need to survive what, 5 days? I forgot. Oh, Dad's back. Alright. I'm gonna have to wait. What's in here? Let me in. Nothing. Okay. You know, people really need to get their furniture and stuff together. Dad, no. Be alive. Please be alive. My obstacle is gone. All of it. Gone. Gone for some obstacle at the store. I feel the same energy snapping. I feel that energy snapping from my body, so to speak. More blocks of color, Dad. Yeesh. Get out of here. I said get out of here. Oh, blocks of color time. Oh, I hate this. I don't like hogging. That's it. We really need to blocks of color. There might be some in the garbage bin said store. Usually fell out the old ones before they expire. So, on this side, yep, on this side. I'm not gonna move away. Get away. Your foot. Be careful for. Oh. So. Dr. Hoberlay. If he appears, don't move through. Okay, well, I'm gonna need to find the blocky color. Stay with it. What thing is it? My guy is like a T-Rex straight base of movement. Oh. Didn't see how much good. There it is! The blocky color. Good blocky color. I actually managed to survive, yes. But I did kind of get scared. They're almost here. The wall is shattering. Oh, that's not a good thing. Risky noise. It's different noises. Mom's gone, so is Dad. Oh God. Day 3 was probably where the war starts coming out. So behind me, I was probably gonna get jump scared there. Surprisingly, it's not dead. Put it to sleep, please. Just gets you. I can't seem to fall asleep again. Day 4? Okay. Let's get started to get my very last move. Dead. I know what's going now. Oh, how I go for you now, please. Scroll, yep. Loves the egg. Why are you twitching? That'll be stuff happening in this town. Thing it has to do with the climate change or some. Okay. Where's the chocolate one? I cannot see any food, what scares me a lot. I don't like it on the door, so no. Me? What's up, man? Have you seen my new cat yet? Ain't she adorable? Yeah. That's something not gonna harm me. Go visit Brownies, of course. I wish I was spinning this game. Never mind, I don't wish I was spinning this game. What the heck? Hmm? You need sleep? Yes, you do. I do need sleep. Keep playing until this game is over. My neck started hurting. Yes, my neck does. Yes, my neck does hurt when I get scared or something. Oh, come on! 5 days! I hate this so much. Oh, frick. Everything's black and white. What the heck? Oh. What are you talking about? Can you do outside something? Oh, I don't know what it is. That was bugged off a long time. A couple, no, 4 days ago. So he might be in that room now. Into it. Nope. It's too late now. That's what we're trying is. Definitely pass. Hello? The horizon. Oh, what the heck is it? Why do you think just go closer to it? Uh-huh. Oh God, they're gonna be something here. Is this a grave? I'm following this path. Like specifically this path, why am I following it? A bunch of graves. Rain? Oh God. They're still alive. I think. Who are you? Better not let off this time. Oh my God. What the heck? How do I get up here? Well, okay, so I guess. What else? Something else. I can finally go to bed. Go to sleep. Don't talk to anyone. You know where I went to for? Should rest. Ending rest.